Hi everyone, in this short webcast I will quickly go ahead and explain what's new on the Azure Sites Recovery for protecting the virtual machine hosted on the Azure subscriptions. For the demo, let me quickly go ahead to the resource groups. I have created for this particular demo two resource groups. One is called ASR-prod, which describe about the production VM workload which I have hosted. So you can see I am actually hosting two VMs basically, and then on the ASR-DR subscription I'm hosting the DR service recovery vault. What's new actually recently, that means today, Microsoft announced they are supporting protecting Server 2016 Azure VMs for the DR purpose as well. Now one thing I need to update you all, DR service for Azure hosted VMs to be replicated to another Azure data center, it's in the preview mode. This is not it's not generally available, but we really can go ahead and do the experiment and everything. So in my blog article, if I take you back quickly for that blog article which I wrote last month, which described the step-by-step procedure, how you can enable ASR to protect the Azure IaaS VMs. So what happened is recently the server 2016 came to the picture for the supporting, which means today. So let me take quickly, if I go back and look at the VM 02, just to prove this is like actually a Windows VM, Windows Server 2016 VM. So I'll try to log into that one. Let me put to desktop and connect to that VM quickly. So let's go ahead with a different name. Okay, so by looking at the window, you will be able to understand by the wallpaper, this is Server 2016. But let me take it a little bit further for the proof. So there you go, this is Windows Server 2016 data center 1607 version. So being said that, let me go back to the ASR-DR subscription. So what's happened basically, sorry, not subscription, the resource group. For the DR purpose, you cannot keep that particular recovery vault on the same resource group. The reason is, if that particular resource group hosted data center goes down, then you won't be able to recover any data. So what I have done, first of all, created a recovery vault, sorry, a recovery group in the West US. Inside that, I have created a recovery service vault, and recovery service vault actually is in East Asia. So my production production resource group is in Southeast Asia, and my DR actually available on another area, which makes sense. So if I go back, these settings I'm not going to explain because it's already available on my blog article. You can refer to that. So I really wanted to highlight quickly. Now there are two replicated items. So if I take you back to VM02, you can see the replication health is really good, and it has taken snapshot on the app consistent level and crash consistent levels. It's very simple at my stage. I really didn't add a lot of disk. It's a basic OS disk only, and in the computer network you can see clearly it will be mapped to the particular target network, which is very important, and the target resource level it has been mapped into. So being said that, it's a very simple video just to highlight the capability and the latest add-on by the ASR team. So I really appreciate the innovation keep on going by the ASR team. So kudos for them. So I really hope you really got the high level idea how ASR works for the virtual machines hosted on the Azure site. Thank you.